Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be talking about relations and functions. You will need your notes, pen and or pencil. Alright, let us get started. We are going to be writing a lot today, okay? Vocab. Today, lots of vocab, so be ready. Keywords. This is important. You must write everything on this slide down. We have a relation. A relation is a set of points consisting of input values, which are our x values, and output values, which are our y values. Now, when we have a relationship, we can see it in so many different ways. We can view it as an ordered pair, a graph, a table, equation, or even written as a sentence. Alright, when we have our relations, we're going to be talking a lot about domain and range. Domain represents all of our x values, so our inputs. And our range is going to talk about all of our y values or our outputs. Alright, make sure you have everything on this page written down, please. Alright, here we have an example of domain and range. If we look at this set of numbers, so I want you guys to write these down, okay? This is a relation, our set of numbers, okay, as an ordered pair. If we look at this, we want to determine domain. We are going to look at our x values. So domain here is our x value. Alright, so it's all of our x values. That's our whole domain. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All of our domain. Now if we want our range is going to be our y values. So our range we're going to have for y values. So all of them are going to be our y values. So this one is -6, -3, -1, 0, 1, and 10. Okay, so domain is our x values, range is our y values. Make sure you have this example down. Moving on. Now that we've discussed domain and range, it's very important that we know whether a relation is a function or not. So to determine that, a function is a relationship when every x value is paired with one unique y values. Alright? So we're going to have two examples here. I want you to get both down. Whether or not this is a function. So here's a set of ordered pairs. And if we look through all of these, we want to look at our x values. So our x values all have to be different. So we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They're all different. Since they are all different, this is going to be a function. So yes, this example is a function. Now we're going to look at another example. So make sure you write this next one down. This example here looks like this one. When we look at our x values on this one, I have -1, 1, 2, 0, 0. Oh, wait. 2 zeros right here. We have a problem, ladies and gentlemen. Our x values were the same. Okay? We can't have two of the same x values. When that happens, it is not a function. Okay? So this one is no, it's not a function because we have two x values that go to different y's. Okay? That's very important. So this is not a function. And, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to move on. So we've been talking about ordered pairs. Now we're going to say, oh, what if it's going to be a graph? We're going to use the vertical line test. It is pretty awesome. The vertical line test. A relation is a function if the vertical line that's drawn through its graph passes through only one point. Now this is how we do the vertical line test. If you know how to do this, don't write this down. If you don't know, write it down. You're going to take a pencil and you're going to move it from left to right, across, and if it hits more than one point, it is not a function. So we're going to have two examples here. Here's your first example. I want you to draw this. Don't get specific. Let's just draw like right here. Boom, boom. Any line that you want, okay? Now we need to figure out, would this graph be a function? So we could take our pencil right now. There it is. Check it out. We're moving it across the line. Here it only hits one point. We finished crossing. Everywhere we go, we only hit one point to the graph. So yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, this is a function. The vertical line says yes. It only crosses once. We are happy. Now let's go on. We're going to do one more example. I want you to draw this. It doesn't have to be exact, you guys. Just draw a circle on a coordinate plane. Now we have to decide, is this a function? So we're going to take our pencil and we're going to go across. We start right at the beginning. It only hits one spot. But as we continue, look at this. Oh, 2 spots, the same graph. So ladies and gentlemen, if we ask ourselves, is this a function? We are going to say no, because the vertical line test, it hits 2 spots. So it is not a function. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for you today. I hope you have a wonderful, fabulous day, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye.